If you're wondering what to send your database via email, it's definitely not a bunch of turn back the clock emails, real estate market updates, or other things you know you wouldn't read either. See, many times we're told to email our networks and our databases and stay in touch, but the reality is that a lot of the ways that we stay in touch with them are through some boiler templated type cold emails that resonate absolutely with no one. Did you know that the average open rate for emails across the United States is roughly 13%? That means 87% of your database is not opening your emails. What we're gonna do in this video is showing you exactly how to create engaging emails your database not only opens, but looks forward to getting each and every month. My name is Mike Cuevas, Real Estate Marketing Dude, and what we're gonna do on this video is walk you through how to create an ongoing email marketing strategy that your database likes receiving. The first thing you wanna do is figure out what type of email should you send, and for that reason, it's why I never, ever send your database text-based emails, at least for relationship marketing, ever again. And it's for this reason that we use video-based emails like this, and video emails to your database are a lot more engaging, and more importantly, they get a lot more eyeballs that people remember. Now, the reason why video email is a lot more superior than text-based email is for the obvious. You know, when we typically get our emails, we look at our phones and we scan through them and we're like, blah, blah, delete, 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 delete. Well, the key to opening up an email is one, having a good subject line, two, sending it to the right people, but three, the way in which you're sending it is also important as well. And when you look at your email inbox, how many other people are actually sending video-based emails? Not as many at all. And that's why it works. Part of branding and marketing is all about being different, sticking out, doing things that people remember. And the way that you're sending emails is a way that you can build your brand and stand out amongst them. Now, video email ultimately is just a much better way to communicate with people. Video anything is a better way to communicate with people. And the reason for that is the way that people, human beings, communicate with one another are as follows. 60 to 90% of all communication is based upon tonality and body language, which you can do in a video email. You can't do that on a text, and you certainly can't do that through direct mail. See, when people can actually see you, it's a lot more effective than just something they would read or something they would receive, because video has a much bigger impact. Now, if you were to do this consistently over time, and let's just go ahead and send your database, say 1.5, 2 emails a month. Well, that would be roughly 20, 18, 24 video emails over the course of the next 12 months. The reason why this is important is because out of all of those emails, the opens, just the people that have seen you, all of those different touches, well, 10 to 15% of them are moving this year, and 100% of the people that have seen any of your video emails over the last year knows at least one person they could refer you to. Which also means that everything I'm telling you is nothing more than mathematical, and it only takes me about 10, maybe 12 minutes each time to create a video email. Now, the next question is well, what the hell am I gonna send them? What kind of video emails, Mike? Well, I'm glad you asked. The type of emails I'm gonna send, my database, is gonna have nothing to do with real estate, because the marketing around the email will tell people I'm in real estate, which is why I start creating a lot of holiday greetings. I love holiday greetings. I love community announcements. I love anything that has nothing to do with the process of buying or selling. So what you can do is you can start sending off greeting card strategies, but just turn them into video emails. Hallmark made an entire business model around wishing people happy holidays. Why can't your video email strategy be the exact same way? If you like what you just saw and you'd like to learn more about how you can develop a consistent content strategy with video email and social media and direct mail, click the link next to this video, read the rest of this blog post, and if you have further interest, go ahead and register for the masterclass that I just finished. In it, you're gonna learn how to take on a consistent content strategy. You're gonna know what to say, who to put it in front of, and then how to do it consistently so people stop forgetting that you're in real estate and they start referring you instead. Go ahead and click the link next to this video, and we'll see you on the next one.